Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two methods to send friend requests on Discord. Method 1. Using user ID and name. Right-click on the person's name in Discord. Go to their profile. Copy their user ID along with their name. Navigate back to direct messages. Ensure the Friends tab is selected. In the Add Friend box, paste the copied user ID and name. Click Send Friend Request. Method 2. Quick Add. Right-click on the person's name in Discord. Simply click Add Friend. This automatically sends a friend request without any additional steps. And that's it. A straightforward process to add friends on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!